Hey guys, Ronald here. Today I'm going to show you how to fix this cup holder. It broke off from this area, so I'm going to use this plastic sheet from an old CD case. It's probably made of polyethylene because you can't break it even if you bend it so much. So I'm going to use this to act as a base. I already put a line marking. See, it didn't break even if I hammered it. Some of you would probably say just buy a new one, but this is one way of helping our environment, if I may say so. So I already scratched this surface to make the banding more stable, and I'm going to try to make this also rougher. For a better adhesion, I'm going to use this super glue. So if you don't like to do this, it's alright, you can just buy a new one. But this is just one way of helping our environment. Okay, I will just let it dry. Okay, it has dried up, as you can see. It's back in business. I think there would be not much force to be applied. It will just be your bottle pushing it backward whenever you step on the brake. Okay, so I hope you like the idea and looking forward to seeing you again on our next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.